Hello, my name is Lerone Brown, a culinary specialist in the United States Coast Guard, and today I'm sharing my southern dish that I grew up eating with the crew. And this consists of my southern fried chicken, my baked macaroni and cheese, collard greens, and jalapeno cornbread. Want to see how I do it? Well, stay tuned. Only in Vondalgo's kitchen. Here I have my collard greens, right? These are already chopped. They're mild and savory collard greens. Usually, we buy the collard greens that you have to cut and wash yourself, but in this case, we have the bag of collard greens. I'm still gonna wash these collard greens, and how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna do it in a thing of cold water with salt. Please, and I repeat, please, do not wash your collard greens in the bathtub. That's not sanitary, okay? Do not wash your greens in the bathtub. And here, I'm washing my chicken. Right here, I got chicken drums that I'm gonna use for my fried chicken. Now that I done washed the chicken, I need to get them dried. So all you do is just take the chicken, just pat dry. See? Dry. And you do that for all the chicken. Now, after I dried up all the chicken, I put it in this here bag, right? And what I want to do with this bag is I want to add some buttermilk. And some jalapeno pickle juice. We're going to make sure we get a good seal on it. Once we got a good seal, we're going to shake it up. Get that chicken fully marinated in there. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to try to add some butter. And add some of this here diced garlic, bit of onions. And I'm going to let that saute a little bit. That's good and sauteed. Alright, so now I'm going to add chicken broth. 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add a little brown sugar, some sazon and adobo. And I'm adding in some applewood smoked bacon. Now usually for this dish we'll use like some ham hock, some turkey neck, or something like that. But this is what they have here where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna make it still good, but we just have to use it as a substitute. Now that this has come to a boil, we're gonna add in our greens. All right, that's how you do it. Once it puts it in, you're gonna bring it down to a simmer, and you're gonna let it cook all the way through on a simmer. So now that I turned it down to a simmer, I'm gonna put the lid on it. Just let it go. In about 2 hours. All right, so right here I have some of this Gruyere cheese that I'm gonna go ahead and grate. Now I have this Swiss cheese that I'm gonna grate. Now, got the cheddar cheese that I'm gonna add to this shredded already. And now for my mac and cheese, I'm gonna take me some of this cream cheese, go ahead and put it right into the mixing bowl. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this here, evaporated milk, put this evaporated milk in there. Let's whisk it away. Now I had the cream cheese out so it's room temperature, so it wasn't frozen solid as a rock. You're gonna add your eggs. So I'm gonna add all my cheeses. I got 3 cheeses in here. I got the cheddar cheese, I got the Swiss cheese, and I got the grilled cheese. Add that right on out in there. And then I'm gonna add my milk. Alright. And while that's mixing, I'm gonna add me some mustard. That's the ground mustard. Alright, this is the water that I got at a boil. It's for my elbow noodles to make the macaroni and cheese. Add salt, the pasta. You're gonna cook until it becomes al dente. Alright, my elbow pasta done boiled till about al dente. Now I'm taking it out and I done drained the water. And this is what I'm gonna do. Now we add the pasta with the cheese. Get ourselves a cooking pan. Spray it out very good. And we add our cheese and cheese to it. Now we just get it into the oven. Alright, for the cornbread, I'm going to be using the Jib's cornbread. Using the Jiffy mix, add 2 eggs. My milk. About 1/3 of a cup. Give it a little mix, using the paddle. Alright, now we're gonna add some of this here sweet corn to it. And we're gonna add some jalapenos. Alright, we're gonna pan spray this here. Add our cornbread. Shaky baby. Go right to the oven. Okay, here I'm doing the batter for my fried chicken. And what's in here is salt, pepper, Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Okay.
Yeah, it hurts still. My hip. My hip's so wide.
Alright, so my chicken done finished marinating. And I'm going to take it out, dip it in this flour. And I have another pan to dip it in before I put it in the fryer. And we got some thin grease for it. So let the drip right on out. Drop it in. Put it right over here, ready to go into the fryer. Okay, so when you're doing the fried chicken, you want to have the basket already dropped in the oil, right? So because we're doing a deep frying, so you just place the chicken in the oil, go right there to the bottom. If you put the chicken in the basket prior, what's going to happen is the chicken's going to stick to the bottom of the frying basket. So you drop it into the oil first. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes, and we're gonna test to see if it's done. But you don't want to have a bloody bone, so of course you're gonna check for that. All right. Oh wow! But Craig,
Big bag, baby.
what you
Big bag
think?
season.
Yeah, yeah.
Couldn't make it.
Brown time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stop playing with. That boy done got 2 plates of it.
Right.
What you think, my boy?
That's good.
Talk about it, Mike. Talk about it.
Too good to talk, baby. You know what I mean?
Talk about it, my dude.
Solid.
Is it?
Solid.
All right.